How to reset swipes. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Tinder swipes for your Tinder account. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Tinder application from your device, and here get logged into your Tinder account. Now, in order to reset your swipes, you have to delete your account entirely. Once you delete your Tinder account, it will then reset all of your swipes and all of the messages will be deleted as well. Also be noted that this is the only way you can reset all of your swipes for your Tinder account. Now, in order to delete your account, tap on the settings icon on your top right, scroll at the bottom of the page, then you will see delete account. Tap onto it and tap on delete my account. Give any reason that you would like. Then tap on delete my account. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That is all for today's tutorial. If you had found this video to be helpful, then hit the like button, and in case you would like to see more contents like this, subscribe to our channel. We will be back with more tutorials like this. Until then, thank you for watching and see you in our next upload.